Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Essay on Hindi Divas or Essay on Hindi Day in 350 words. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. Essay on Hindi Divas or Essay on Hindi Day. Introduction. Hindi Divas or Hindi Day is celebrated every year on 14th September in India to honor the Hindi language. On 14th September 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India declared Hindi as the official language. Hindi Divas is celebrated every year in India from 14th September 1953 at the request of the Rashtrabhasha Prachar Samiti Wardha. Hindi is the official language of India. Hindi language is the third most spoken language in the world. Who contributed to making Hindi the official language? The people of India had to struggle for a long time to make the Hindi language the official language. Rajendra Singh worked tirelessly with literatures like Kaka Kalekar, Maithili Sharan Gupta, Hazari Prasad Dwivedi, Seth Govind Das to make Hindi the official language. Due to his effort, Hindi language was recognized as the official language. In the year 1918, Mahatma Gandhi had also asked to make Hindi the national language at the Hindi Sahitya Sammelan. Purpose. The sole purpose of celebrating Hindi Day is to give importance to Hindi language, the official language of India. Wherever we go, language, culture and values should remain with us. In today's time, everyone had more inclination toward learning English language, but till the people of India themselves will not fully use Hindi language, then Hindi language cannot develop. Therefore, all Indians have to unite and take the development of Hindi to a new dimension. How Hindi Divas is celebrated? Hindi Divas is celebrated with great enthusiasm in school, college and offices. In school and college, students participate in speech, essay writing, poetry, song, dance, drama and Hindi general question quiz competition etc. Award. On this day, the President of India distributes award to the people doing better work in Hindi related field. 8 Vigyan Bhavan, Delhi. Name of award. Number 1. Raj Bhasha Gaurav Award. Number 2. Raj Bhasha Kriti Award. Number 1. Raj Bhasha Gaurav Award. Raj Bhasha Gaurav Award is given to an Indian citizen who writes about technology or science. Number 2. Raj Bhasha Kriti Award. Raj Bhasha Kirti Award is given to limited departments for their best work in Hindi. Conclusion. It is necessary to develop Hindi language to save this Hindi language from extinction. This is the only way to remind the youth about the history of Hindi language. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.